Most people think they're bad with money because they lack discipline. But what if the real problem is the financial advice everyone repeats without questioning? Today you'll discover 6 popular money rules that secretly keep people broke and the mindset shift that can completely change your financial future. Stay until the end, because the final mistake is the one that silently destroys progress. Many influencers push universal formulas as if one plan fits everyone. But your income, responsibilities, and goals are unique, which means your financial structure must be customized. A system only works long-term when it adapts to your real life, instead of forcing you into someone else's template. Rules like 50 on 30 on 20 sound clean and simple, but real life is messy. Someone with a small income may struggle to survive using those numbers, while someone earning more could overspend unnecessarily. Instead of fixed percentages, design flexible spending zones based on your priorities and real expenses. Early in my financial journey, my character lived paycheck to paycheck while juggling multiple side hustles and a tiny home office, packed with art supplies, a hobby that later turned into a profitable creative outlet. The breakthrough came only after building a personalized financial roadmap instead of copying popular advice. There's a difference between optimizing expenses and suffocating your lifestyle. Extreme frugality often shifts your focus toward cutting pennies instead of growing income. Smart money management isn't about deprivation, it's about building efficient habits that free up energy for earning more. Instead of asking, "How do I spend less?" ask, "How do I spend smarter?" Investing in quality food, education, or tools that improve productivity can create long-term returns. Cheap decisions today often become expensive problems tomorrow. Some people claim major purchases must cost only a certain number of salaries. But big financial decisions depend on lifestyle, goals, and long-term impact. Before buying anything expensive, compare time savings, potential income growth, and maintenance costs, not just the price tag. Debt becomes dangerous only when it funds lifestyle inflation. But borrowing for tools that increase earning power or reduce essential expenses can be strategic. The key question is simple. Will this purchase help you grow financially or trap you in monthly payments? Some people avoid insurance entirely, while others buy every policy offered. The smart approach is mathematical. Estimate risks, compare potential losses with premium costs, and choose coverage only where it truly protects your financial stability. Many people with low income believe budgeting is pointless because there's nothing to manage. In reality, the smaller the income, the more important each decision becomes. Tracking expenses reveals hidden leaks and helps transform chaos into control. When income rises, people often stop paying attention to their spending. Comfort creates blind spots, and financial discipline disappears. Regardless of income level, you must monitor cash flow. The only difference is the level of detail you track. Instead of chasing quick fixes, build a system around 3 pillars. Awareness of money flow, flexible budgeting, and strategic investments into skills and tools. Financial success is rarely about one big decision. It's about consistent, intelligent adjustments over time. Right after this video, review your last month of expenses and categorize them into 3 groups: essential, growth-oriented, and wasteful. You'll immediately see patterns that either build your future or quietly destroy it. If you want more practical strategies that help you grow income, invest smarter, and build real financial stability, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And in the comments, write one financial rule you followed that never worked. Your story might help someone else avoid the same mistake.